Hey chess fans, here's an ending that you should know. It looks like white should win this fairly easily. The bishop is protecting the pawn, so the king could never take the pawn. And then white's king just takes the black's pawn and maybe makes a queen. Okay, well, it's not that easy. Let's just say that white tries to go after that right away and goes with that plan. What we have here is a situation where, because the white's bishop doesn't control the queening square, there's no way to get that king out of there. So, for example, if we play here, that's a stalemate. And if we play here, it's a stalemate. And if we if we wait, well then black will just repeat and white can't make any progress. Okay? So when you're in a position like this, we'll just go back to the start here. It's very, very important to find that key first move, and with the idea of never letting black's king get to a8 or a7. Because if that happens, then black can force a draw. So the first move is going to be this move here. And the idea behind this move is it's blocking black's king. It's just limiting its squares. So black, I guess, wants to come around now and get to the a8 square because it can't go the other way. And now is the time for black, or for white, to go and try to gobble that pawn. Now, watch what black will do. Black will be tricky. Now, here's another very, very key move here, is to keep the bishop on that diagonal. You'll find out why in a second. Well, first of all, now the king can't really make any progress. You see how c6 is guarded by the king right now, and d6 is guarded by the bishop down here. So he has to kind of go this way, which is it's a little bit of a roundabout. That gives white has enough time to look at how strong this bishop is, taking this square away. And now look at this. The king takes b7 away, and the bishop that was down here doing an amazing job blocks the king out. And now, only now, does the black has to go back, I guess. And look at this. Black cannot get in, and white will make the queen. Okay? So it's an ending that you kind of need to know. And it just, big point is, in sometimes in endings like this, when there's a rooked pawn and you just have a bishop, you got to figure out, is the bishop going to be able to control the queening square? And if not, you got to be really, really careful with letting black's king into the corner. With those rooked pawns, the pawns on the A file or the H file, there can be drawish tendencies there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you again.